Hello, my name is Tata from TATT, and I'm going to present you about the burst of Atoll. First, I will divide this presentation into four main parts. First, I will tell you about the coral, and second, the first type of coral fringing reef, the second type of coral, barrier reef, and the third type of coral, Atoll reef. And last, I will do a quiz about the burst of Atoll. First, I will tell you about coral. Coral is an animal which inhabits in the sea. They use their tentacles, which are called polyps, to eat small planktons. It has a lot of type in its color and shape. Surprisingly, they evolved from fringing reef to the Atoll reef. So, this is the picture of fringing reef. The fringing reef is the first step of reef development. At first, coral slowly surrounds the island like this, and they eventually cover all the island's edge, making the fringing reef. So they're surrounding all the island with the reef. This shape can be found on the newfound coral reef. Next, they change into barrier reef. The barrier reef is the second step of reef development. At the fringing reef, the island becomes smaller and sort of moat between the island and reef. Why Iceland becomes smaller, because the water keeps going up and the reef is still growing. So just only Iceland is seen to be becoming smaller.
Island, not Iceland.
This can be found on the reefs such as Great Barrier Reef. Finally, the Atoll Reef. The Atoll Reef is the final step of reef development. Its shape is a ring that once surrounded an island. Once the island was surrounded by reef, but the island sank into water and only Atoll Reef remained. The example for this is the Cocos Island. Quiz time. What is the first step of reef development?
Fringing
How can barrier reef be made?
reef.
The reef surrounds the island.
Reef grow.
And barrier reef.
Yeah, reef grow.
The island sinks to the barrier reef. In the fringing reef, the island only the water goes up and the island seems to be sank. So it becomes a barrier reef. What is the form of Atoll reef?
Ring.
It is a form of ring. Thank you for listening.
Okay.